Colors, colors, colors. Children are very much fascinated by colors. They are very attracted towards colors. You see, they observe all the colors from the nature. They select one or two colors, but they always think, what is there? Why this color is like this? Why my favorite color is like this? As soon as they get first opportunity, they want to paint everything. They see in the nature the birds, how they sing, the beautiful bird, what color is that bird. Today my daughter told me, Mama, God is a boy. See, he comes in UFO and he has painted blue color everywhere. All the beautiful things like blue whale, my mermaid, even the aliens we see that he has painted in blue color because he's a boy. He likes blue color, not pink color like girls. I said, okay, really? So what else you see the blue color? So you can say that God has made it blue color. See, Mama, UFO, all the beautiful and the rarest of the rarest flowers, all the beautiful princess like mermaid, and you see the ocean, the largest part of our earth is ocean. That also God has made it blue in color. All the fishes they are there, very rare fishes are blue in color. Only few birds, hardly we can see birds in blue color, and fishes, they are God's special fishes, so they are in blue color. Have you ever seen any cat, dog, human beings in blue color? No, because it's a God color. Our Lord Krishna is also in blue color, Mama. He lives in blue universe. And we offer blue color flowers to our other God also. That day you told me that this is a heavenly color. It's a royal color which the gods use in the beaches because God lives in a natural places, not in a cluttered places. And there is a special butterfly of the God that is also in blue color. And Daddy always offer blue color flowers to his favorite God, Lord Shiva, which he looks like blue color only to me. And you told me he has taken blue color poison also. And there is a rarest of the rarest bird, which is our national bird also, that is also in blue color. I was quite amazed by her little observation, not little observation, but for her age, love for the color is very natural for the child, and the way they think, we should also try to answer them in the correct way. So I told her, you see anything red color like apple, strawberry, because from the sun all color is going there, whatever color they are reflecting, that color we are able to see. The same thing for white and black. The black color absorbs all the thing, that is why it is black color. But the white color, it reflects all the color. That is why it is white in color. But it is not true for the color blue, because color blue is not because of pigmentation. All the colors which we are seeing in the nature is because of pigmentation. But there is not even a single animal on earth which produces this pigmentation.